Well, hello, my lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So, today I have a fabulous opportunity for you guys. This is from Southwest, you guys, and I specifically picked out this job for you guys because this job requires no degree, you guys. Absolutely no degree. You can literally apply for this job and land this job with a high school diploma. So this job pays $138,000, you guys. I want you to get this job, okay? So this job pays $138,000. It is fully remote, you guys. And also, you guys, there is full benefits with this position. So grab a pen and paper. We are going to deep dive into this job. Let's go, you guys. No, I am doing the shout outs of the day. So we got Miss Lauren J. She got her offer for $174,000, you guys. She used a virtual resume template kit. And when she used that virtual template kit, she literally rewrote her resume, you guys. And she got an offer for $174,000 using the skills and all of the information that I put into the virtual resume rewrite session. When I tell you that rewrite session is like sitting down with me and doing a rewrite. Girl, I am so proud of you, okay? So Miss Yesenia C, she got her offer for 126. She used the DIY kit, you guys. She used the DIY kit and she did it herself. Mr. Marlon H, you guys. He got his for $137,000, you guys, and he used the resume rewrite kit. I told you guys, the kit is like sitting down with me. It has all of your stuff pre-written for you. It has your bios pre-written, your professional summaries, can I say, pre-written for you. It also has your experiences and your skill set pre-written for you. It is like sitting down with me, and I absolutely recommend, I am going to say this, I recommend getting the rewrite session, you guys, because the rewrite session is it's me. It's me. Okay. All right, you guys. So those are the shout outs of the day. We are going to go to the inspiration of the day. So the inspiration of today, you guys, is very simple. I deserve. That is what I want you to put down in the comment section because you guys deserve high paying jobs. You deserve to live a life of comfortability. You guys deserve healthy relationships, okay? You guys deserve everything good that this world has to offer. But if you don't think that you deserve it, it will never happen for you. So every day that you are job hunting, I want you to say, I deserve better. I deserve a better career. I deserve every good thing that happens for me in my life. I deserve healthy relationships. I deserve to take care of my children like I'm supposed to. That is the inspiration for the day, you guys. But we're going to get right into this job because when I tell you guys, this job, you guys, and I have been telling most of you guys that most of these companies, they are looking for skill instead of you having a degree. They are looking for skill. And this job it definitely reinforces that point. You guys, use the resume rewrite kit because the resume rewrite kit is me literally rewriting your skills, and I have rewrite your experience to fit the skills that are already on the resume rewrite kit, you guys. I cannot express enough how much time I have poured into that kit to make it as great as it is, you guys. So go get the resume rewrite kit. If you can't afford it, get the DIY kit because some of those skills are on there. But the resume rewrite kit, that is the bang for your buck. Okay, you guys? So let's get right into this job right now. And this job is going to totally surprise you guys. Okay, let's get into it right now. So, Southwest is hiring for a senior technology project manager, you guys. You guys are going to be working in the quality management office. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's get down to the description, you guys. All right, you guys can read about the company, but I'm going to go directly into the job description. It says job summary, responsible for all aspects of project management for mostly high complexity, high visibility products over the entire life of the initiative. Understand complicated business objectives and scope and assembles a team to deliver superior results for their project. So, you guys, I'm always about project management because, to be honest, project management and that's why I did the resume kit geared toward project management and program management, because in those roles you are able to be so diverse. So basically what you're going to do in those roles is you're going to be the manager over that project. You are going to build a team. You are going to direct the team. So all of this stuff, like I said, once I wrote it everything for project management and program management, because that is a very diverse career. And you can take that career, it's specific, but it's also diverse. You can take that career and go to different industries. That's why I say with this one is the airline industry. I did GM, which is the auto industry. I did Avon, which is the healthcare industry. And that's why I rewrote my virtual resume rewrite session is geared towards you coming into these positions of project management. And like I said, everything that they list in this job description, it is on the resume rewrite kit, you guys. It's on there. But let's continue. It says, work closely with accountable delivery leaders in the business and technology to ensure assigned projects deliver on business objectives and value while managing scope, timeline, budget, and technical risks, and may be responsible for multiple projects at one time. Provide support and guidance for both business and technology initiated projects and strong and requires strong knowledge of technology processes and implementation procedure, you guys. Like I said, everything that they say, everything that is on here for your job description is in the resume rewrite kit. I know what I was writing. All right, you guys, so let's go down to additional details. Additional details, this role is offered as a remote workplace position, which may require travel for trainings, meeting, conferences. Outside of those required visits, the majority of your time may be spent in a remote location away from the corporate campus. Please note, while this is a remote position, there's a limited group of states or localities ineligible for employees to regularly perform their work off-site. You guys, it says U.S. citizenship or current authorization to work in the U.S. is required, and no current or future work authorization sponsorship available. So this basically means that they are only sponsoring United States citizens with this one. Okay, so let's go down to the responsibilities, you guys. So the responsibilities for this job, it says partner with technology managers and directors to lead large technology projects, programs in support of department or enterprise strategic plans. Serve as a project leadership resource responsible for driving analysis, recommendation, decisions, and deliveries, you guys. It goes on to say define complex project plans, roadmaps for multiple simultaneous projects or for a single highly complex project or program, including scope, budget, and schedule, and execute tasks defined in the project plan to achieve project goals using standard project management methodologies and practices. That project management methodology, that keyword, you guys, that keyword is actually included in your summaries, you guys. In the pre-written summaries, a lot of the keywords that are on here are already pre-written in the virtual resume rewrite summaries, you guys. So just saying. Okay. All right. It says work with work with development and application teams to break down work into smaller components or features and to identify critical path. Drive testing and acceptance of project or program results across multiple teams. Mentor and coach other project managers. Monitor risk issues, scopes proactively, ensuring the appropriate level of priority, visibility, and escalation. Communicate plan and all relevant components such as risks, schedules, expectation, and ongoing updates to shareholders, sponsors, and project teams to maintain project alignment. Build partnerships to collaborate and to use influence to gather customer and business requirements and communicate effectively with all project teams and support groups. Work with partner teams across portfolios to plan, to track execution of work, and to visualize the full scope of work, including business capabilities and architectural runway. May perform other job duties as directed by employees' leaders. You guys, go rewrite that resume. Go get that resume virtual resume rewrite session. It has every last one of these bullet points on there. The only thing that is different is that I worded the bullet points differently, but your resume is definitely going to show up with all the keywords and phrases, you guys. It's definitely going to show up with all the keywords and phrases. You guys, go get that resume template kit. I mean, not the template kit, the virtual rewrite session, you guys. But let's go down to knowledge, skills, and abilities. It says expert knowledge of project processes, expert knowledge of project processes, problem management tools and procedures, advanced knowledge of agile development practices and ceremonies, advanced knowledge of application, impact on operational and business functions, skilled and proficient finance acumen to interpret corporate financial analysis and financial statements, skilled and strong customer service, you guys, and team orientation, ability to assume a high level of responsibility and provide direction in a team oriented environment, directing tasks to finish by scheduled completion date. So basically, they're saying, hey, just as long as you make sure your tasks are done by the scheduled date, we're gonna give you a scheduled date for the project. As long as your tasks are done by that date, that's cool. It says ability to communicate effectively, both verbal and written at all levels. As long as you can communicate, you're good, okay? Ability to manage highly sensitive and confidential information. To work effectively in a fast paced, collaborative, team based environment and maintain composure under pressure and accurately assess situations. Problem solver, you guys. Skilled in leadership to direct performance of outside contractors and maintain positive relations with internal customers. Now let's go to the piece of resistance, you guys. Education. Education. The education required for this is a high school diploma or GED. That is why I am telling all of you guys right now, one of the problems, the biggest problems that I see with a lot of resumes that I do rewrite, and that's why I created the rewrite session for you guys, because I'm addressing the problem, I'm solving the problem within the rewrite session. One of the biggest problems that I see, you guys, is that you guys are writing your education. You guys are leaning on your education in your resumes. You need to rewrite your resume for skill. It is not the smartest person who is going to get these jobs. That's not what these companies want nowadays. They don't want the smartest person. They want the most skillful person. And that's why on the resume rewrite session, I rewrote everything because I know that they are looking for skill. I understand that that's why you see in most of these jobs it says or equivalent experience, because you guys, they want skill. They don't necessarily want education anymore. And that is the biggest problem that I am seeing on most of you guys' resumes. So I am telling you guys this right now. My books are closed for right now. For right now, my books are closed. I might only take one or two, but my books are closed for right now. The best thing that you can do for yourself is go get the virtual resume rewrite session, because in that rewrite session, I basically have rewritten your resume for skill and not for education. Well, you can put you. I still want you to put your education in, but I I writ I did the rewrite sessions so that you can showcase the skill, you guys. It's about the skill, not the education nowadays. Okay, so let's get down to experience. It says require expert level experience, expansive and far reaching knowledge in project management. You guys, if you have managed your household, and that's why I say, if you guys have managed your household, you guys can do this because you have that same skill. You still have to look at your bank statements. You still have to look at your bank statements. You have to coordinate with the rest of your family and their needs. If you can manage a household, you can 100% do project and program management. And that is why when I did the rewrite session, I did the rewrite session for skill, because you guys have the skill. And that is what the companies are looking for, you guys. So, you guys, go get the resume rewrite session virtually. Do yourself a favor. Okay, you guys? All right, so let's get down to how much this job pays. As you guys can see, this job ranges from 124,000 to 138,000, depending on qualifications and experience. And it says for eligible leadership and individual contributor roles, additional bonus opportunities are available. So not only do you have your base salary, you are eligible for bonuses. And as you can see, you fly for free and you are eligible dependents too. So take Sam with you. All right, you guys. You guys enjoy your day. Remember that you deserve every good thing out there. You have to believe that you deserve it. I want you to believe that you deserve it, because when I talk to you and when I do these videos for you, I know that you deserve it, and that's why I keep pushing forward. I am going to keep pushing you guys. I am going to keep pushing you. You deserve it. Go get the resume template kit. Go get the virtual rewrite session, you guys. Sit there for 15 minutes and rewrite your skills. Rewrite your skills. You need an update on your skills. I have provided that update in the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. So y'all go get that. You guys have a blessed and wonderful, productive day, you guys. And as you are job searching, I want you to tell yourself, I deserve a six-figure job, because you do. All right. Bye.